Hello and welcome back to the M0OGY review of the President Grant 2 Premium. A little earlier I showed you a video of the radio receiving against the original Grant 2 when there was some propagation coming in from the States. Now it's around 8:30 in the evening with some flat band conditions. I'm waiting my friend Paul, Mofu goes on TM1, to have a QSO. We've arranged a sked just to see how these radios, or should I say the Premium, works on all modes. One thing I've spotted, as you know, for the last 2 years I've had quite bad PLT device interference here at this location, and the only real radio that's ever combated that with a noise blank circuit is indeed a 10-year-old Yaesu FT840, which is a cracking radio, but sadly not legal to use on the CB band. Anyway, one thing I've noticed, the new Premium radio, it's certainly got a higher noise level, whether it's just the S meter or it's got a hot receiver on it, I'm not too sure. But listening on the radio this evening with no signals present, you can see that the meter's a lot stronger and the PLT noise is evident as normal. Yeah, we've got about S2, and on the other radio, that sounds like Paul, we've only got a much lower, just under an S1. So that's on there. Best turn the radio off so we don't blow it up if we shout Paul in a moment. So just thought I'd show you that. It's not a massive shake, but still it's there. We'll be back in a moment. Right, 26 Alpha Tango 151. Are you there, Paul?
Yes mate, 26 Tango Mike 901. Yes mate, got you, no problem.
Yeah, QSL, nice to contact you, Paul, and thanks for, you know, agreeing to give me some honest opinions on this radio. So yeah, this is the Grant 2 Premium, the new one. Filming it now, so yeah, what's your thoughts? Stock microphone, I'll just show that. Yeah, it's just a stock microphone. So yeah, what's the audio like, Paul, around here?
Yep, no problem mate. I'm running the Anytone AT6666. I don't know what it sounds like to you, Dave. Yeah, nice and clear. Clarifies just about at 12 o'clock. I know I've had this radio in a little while just to warm it through. Hopefully you've got me okay, but yeah, no problem. Nice crisp audio, mate.
Yeah, QSL, yeah, we've got a bit of a signal you can see on the video. Sadly it's PLT noise that it's receiving, but most radios, if not them all, are doing the same, so it's no real fault of the radio. But yeah, you're 5 and 8, 5 and 9, crystal clear.
Yeah, no problem mate. Similar signal actually, Dave, to me. Very similar. 5, 5 and 7, 5 and 9 on a peak. But yeah, can't fault it. Sounds very good, mate.
Yeah, QSL. Well, it's just standard, you know, it's running barefoot 12 watts PEP. So I'll swap over to the Grant 2 ASC, the earlier one. I've just got to turn this off, obviously, so I don't blow the front end out of it, and then see, you know, you can compare it on audio, etc., and I can see how it receives compared to this.
Yep, no problem, mate. I'll just take a stand.
Right, Paul, I'm back now. I've just flicked the antenna switch and I'm on the original Grant 2 ASC. What's about 18 months old, so sound any different?
Possibly slightly deeper. I've not had to make any adjustments to my clarifier. Still in basically the same position. But again, I don't know whether you'd be able to tell, you know, when you're switching off and on. Possibly not. It sounds good as well, Dave. It really does. It sounds okay.
Yeah, QSL, well, you sound fine. I just touched the clarifier. You're roughly at 12 o'clock on both, so that's no problem. Yeah, so does the audio sound any different? Is it the same, more bassy or trebly, or is it roughly the same?
Slightly more bassy, Dave. Slightly more bassy to me. But again, it sounds very good.
Yeah, okay, QSL, I'll just stop filming and then we'll go back to the other radio. I've got a comparison between the two on upper sideband, so we'll try it on FM in a minute, so just take a stand, mate.
Yep, no problem, mate.
Right, are you there, Paul? I've just flicked the radio, the new one, to lower sideband. Does it sound, well, it should sound the same, but how's it sounding on here?
Yeah, very good, mate. Very similar. I have had to just move my clarifier to just before 5 past.
Just before 5 past. But to be honest, everybody that I've spoke to over the last few months, I have to do that on this radio anyway, Dave, so...
Yeah, well, I just did the same. I just moved it a nat, so yeah, it sounds on frequency just the same, yeah?
Yeah, clear audio, no problems at all, mate, no problems at all.
Yeah, okay, do you want to flick it to FM?
Yep, we go.
Right, are you there, Paul? I'm on FM now.
Yep, I've got you, mate. I'm just going to turn the squelch up a bit to my little lantern bed. Again, yeah, loud audio, Dave. Turn the volume up 1 notch, but yeah, still loud enough.
Yeah, I've just put the ASC, you know, the automatic squelch control on, and it's working okay. Yeah, you're not quite as strong, but not too bad. Yeah, you sound good on FM.
Yeah, thanks to you. Like, when I've got a signal 5 from you, I don't know what you've got, mate. Signal 5, where it's 5 to 7 SSB, but no problems, nice and clear.
Yeah, we are about signal 7, but this is just running, you know, standard power 4 watts. So it's doing not much power. It's not doing bad over, what, 12 miles. I'm trying not to make the camera too shaky, but yeah, yeah, you're about signal 7 on here.
Yeah, great stuff. I've got my the power on this. I've just got it to about 12 o'clock. So I don't know. I guess is it 30 watts on this? I'm not sure.
Yeah, okay. Do you want to flick it anti-Mary AM?
Yeah, I won't go. We take a bit of a signal bit, don't we, when we go to AM. We've done quite a few tests on this. Still loud audio, slightly less signal though, Dave, but nice and clear.
Yeah, the PLT's whacking in now, but you're still about signal 7 on here, mate. Just watching the meter go up and down with no swing on it 1 minute. Yeah, it's reading about 5 on the meter and it's going up and down as I speak, so yeah, it sounds okay on AM then. Yeah, you sound well.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, this is, again, this signal meter on this Anytone is not very good, to be honest. You're getting between a 4 to a 5, so yeah, no problem.
Yeah, okay, mate, nice to be on AM. Do you want to flick it to channel 31? Channel 31 on UK FM, go there, yeah?
Okay, yeah, channel 31 FM, I'll meet you there, shall we go?
QSL, catch you there.
Yeah.
Right, I'm there, Paul, channel 31 UK FM. It's a lot easier to flick it on this radio as the old one, as you had to go through the multi-norms on that one. So, you get me okay on here?
Yeah, no problem, Dave. Yeah, pretty much same signal and whatnot as before on mid-band. Yeah, I'm not familiar with that radio, so I'm not quite sure how you go through it all. But yeah, not a problem.
Yeah, you're about S7, same as you was on mid-band. But yeah, it's easy on the new version. You just press the mode selection on the radio and it's got mid-band and UK FM on the button, so it's dead easy. Where the other early one, you had to go through the menus, because obviously at the time that was designed, you know, they want legal AM and single sideband, so they couldn't put it on for a start.
So to use the AM SSB, there is like a another UK option on there then.
On the early radio, you basically had to go into the multi-norm setting and go on EU to use it, you know, and then the UK allocation was like the President Jackson 2, where you had to, you know, go into just UK. But this newer one, well, in fact the version 1.05, the one before this, when it come legal on AM and SSB, they actually put it on the front switch so you could just go dead easy into it, so it makes it a hell of a lot easier. And apparently this one, the new one, if you open it up, you know, sort of for full you know, export mode, you can actually just click it on UK FM as well, if it's opened up for export mode as well off the front panel, which is an handy thing.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's a good idea, yeah. I know the Jackson 2 that I've got, if you're on UK FM and you go to AM, it just puts you onto mid-band FM. So that's, you know, that's a good thing to have changed, I think.
Yeah, it's just a shame they haven't changed, you know, the new Jackson 2 Classic and the Chrome one. Anyway, I'll just take a stand and I'll finish filming. I think I've got enough on-air footage for tonight, so I'll just take a stand, Paul. Thanks for your help, and I'll be back in a minute.
Yeah, okay, mate. Catch you in two.
Well, that's basically some on-air tests on the Grant 2 Premium. Tried it on all modes. Also tried the original Grant 2 ASC on sideband as well for a start. It seems to be performing well. So there you have it. Hope you've enjoyed the reviews. I've enjoyed doing them. So best 7.3 from Dave M0OGY. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.